What's up guys, welcome back to our channel How To Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add Slackbot in your workspace. So what you're going to do is just go to this scene, drop down menu, and over here you're having a lot of options. So just go to tools and settings and then select customize workspace. So then you'll be having options of emoji, multiple workspace and others. So as you'll be needing a Slack bot, use the Slack bot, then over here you will see this plus add new response. So just press it and then just write what you want to say. So let's say someone sees Instagram and what Slackbot returns or what Slackbot response is, let's say Facebook. So just save it, and this is how you can actually add a Slack bot in your workspace. So that's pretty much guys. Thank you for watching our video. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon so you never miss a video or let's say update from us. And also comment down below for more updates and more contents like this. Thank you for watching guys. See you next time in our next video.